Nice. So whoever's over there is probably has a lot of fireworks. That was just a really big one. I wish I got that one on camera. So oh, there's fireworks over there too. If you guys love this content, please tell me. Oh! They're sending the big one. There's some more over there. Look, they're sending more fireworks, more firecrackers. I meant. Alright, it's over, so I gotta go outside. But really, this was really nice to show on camera. I hope you guys loved it. Happy New Year's and Happy Christmas. I want to stay outside.